it's small, and it's not even silver. It's I think it's copper or bronze. But this is more expensive than those other ones. See, United States of America, 1903. So this one is half centavo. Hello, everyone. So I have some more coins for you. See what this one is. It's something nice, I guess. Of course, it'll be something old. Here we go. So just a few of them. Oh, sticky tapes. Here we go. Oh wow. Okay, it's very sticky. How do you remove this one? So I'm happy it's all secured. It's just the problem is when I'm doing unboxing. Here we go. All right, here we go. We got 3 coins, 3 small coins, and we'll go with the. Okay, what's this one? This one is I think what? Oh, okay. It is from San Marino. I think 5 centesimi, 1937. See? Oh, all right. Here we go. Repubblica di San Marino. I think it's also from the. I think it's a Vatican one as well. 5 centesimi, 1937. San Marino. It's in Italy. Very nice. I bought this one because it have a nice grade, and the mintage is I think it was only few hundred thousands. I think a few 100,000. So it have a good value, this one. Although I bought it way below the value, of course, because it was on a, I was just lucky sometimes. You have a you bid on a $1 bid, and sometimes people don't bid on it. Sometimes it's probably because the hours they do it. I was just lucky sometimes that I set my clock before the the auction closes. So get lucky for a few dollars, I guess. So this one is from 1917. It's 10 centavos from America. No, it's not. It's from the Philippines, but it is from the era of the United States of America, when Philippines is a Commonwealth. So this is 1917, United States of America. As we can see, the coat of arms of U.S. And then you can see here 5 centavos, Philippines, Filipinas below. Very nice coin. And another one. This is what they call that one. It's more expensive than those other two. Probably way more expensive than the other ones. Although it's it's small, and it's not even silver. It's I think it's copper or bronze. But this is more expensive than those other ones. See, United States of America, 1903. So this one is half centavo. As you can see, half centavo, and the value below Pilipinas. You can see the Mayon volcano there, and the guy sitting with an anvil on the edge. So it's a half centavo Philippines from the era of the United States of America. Why it's expensive, or why it have a very good value? Because 1903, those are uh, the first year that America made or minted coins for the Philippine Commonwealth. It's 1903. But these ones, this set up half centavo, some of it or most of it didn't survive because they melted. I think 7.5 million of this coin. So or they minted 12 million, but they melted at least 7.5 million of this coin or so, because they don't see any use for the half centavo. That's why they melted the coins, the other coins, the other half centavo coins, and made it as a 1 centavo coin. So that's the reason it's, this one is a scarce coin. You wouldn't see much of this, and if you see, it'll be having a good price. Very nice. So yeah, we have these three lovely coin from uh, the Philippines and in Italy, San Marino or Vatican. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you very much for your support, and I hope you all have a very good day.